Once you receive your DrySpec D20 saddle bags, go ahead and lay them out in front of you. The D20 come with their own mounting straps that are intended to work as a universal system. However, we found that replacing the straps with a set of 42-inch rock straps work more effectively in keeping the bags pinned to your side racks. You'll want to start by mounting your rock straps onto your racks. Beginning with the exhaust side, your mounting locations will be here and here. Take the elastic side, run it behind and through the rack, looping it through itself as shown. Next, take the strapping side and run it in and around the mounting post of the rack. This will create a secure area for the bag to sit. For the other side, your mounting locations will be here and here. Take the elastic side and run it through the rack as shown. Now mount the strapping side to the front mounting post of the rack the same as before. Once both pairs of rock straps have been mounted to your side racks, you're ready to mount your bags. The DrySpec D20 are intended to be universal and can be mounted either forward or backward. Set them into place and slide them towards the back of your seat. You'll want to position the front of the bags flush with the front of the racks. This will put the weight of your cargo closer to the rear shock while maintaining adequate legroom. We recommend adjusting the bags to where they are flush with the top of your seat. This will help secure the final installation and creates a secondary platform for any additional cargo you may have. Now take the strapping side of your rock straps and extend it out to full length and run it behind and through the side buckles on the bags. This will help keep the bags pinned downward. Do the same for the elastic side. Now unbuckle the main straps and run the rock straps behind the clips and across the center of the bag. When fastening your rock straps, we found that getting the buckle to about the middle of the bag was the correct amount of force, but be sure to adjust accordingly for your specific loads. Always be sure to tie off slack from any strapping systems prior to riding your bike. Now rebuckle your main straps and secure tightly. Repeat the strapping process for the other side, making sure any loose ends are tied off and all buckles are fastened and secure. You have completed the installation and are ready to ride. To remove the D20 is very quick and easy. Just simply reverse the strapping sequence on both sides of the bike, lift them off the seat, and you're good to go. Please let us know if you have any questions. We appreciate your feedback. Thanks for watching.